Hello everyone, my name is Clifton Johnson. I'm the founder of the Empower series, and I want to, during this time of uncertainty and the coronavirus affecting people, everyone around us, we have decided to no longer have in-person workshops. At this point, who knows how long, right? Because who knows anything about the uncertainty of this virus? But we're doing this because of safety, and during times of uncertainty, there's a perception that we are not empowered. And I want you to know that that's the last thing. With all of our collective wisdom and power, we are truly empowered to handle this and to overcome any challenge that we incur. That's what the Empower Series is all about. So we are thriving. We're defining how to live. We're protecting our neighbors, we're protecting ourselves, we're protecting our loved ones. And so we want to continue to do that. And that's why we're not having our in-person workshops, but we're still going to have digital programming. And so the education, the inspiration, the hope, the empowerment of the Empower Series will continue on. I'd just like to wish everybody safety and good health. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your neighbors. So be mindful, be safe, and be healthy. And until we meet again, be empowered and inspired to thrive.